Well, hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Gonna take up the E-Flite Viper 70mm. Okay. Running a Superior 3300 6S. Mid-rates for me are 80% with 30% expo. So there we go. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. Okay, timer set for 3.5 minutes. Wind is basically out of that way. And so weather channel said due east. That's due east, coming from that way. So once again, the weather channel is not accurate. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Okay. Make sure we're filming, and we are, so off we go.
Gear up.
And this is a remaiden, basically. Well, I say it's a remaiden. I've replaced the right, actually the left retrack in her.
3 minutes. Landing flaps.
Here. Yeah, I replaced the right or left retrack in her. Show you how slow this plane can come by. What a great flying jet.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Flaps up. Gear down.
All right.
Landing flaps.
Whoa. Well, that was me being stupid. Should have powered out of that and kept going around again, because that was a bad approach, and I'm pretty sure I wrecked my front gear. Yep.
Flaps up. Gear up. Gear down.
Yep. Yep. Oh man. Well, that was me being stupid. I busted the front of it. That's not that bad of a fix. I can fix that. That was me being stupid. Shoot. Well, I should have powered out of that and came around. I was going way too slow. Yeah, that was all me. So that was just me being stupid. All right, well, so much for flying her now. I probably could do glue and fix her here, but I don't have that kind of glue with me. So I'd want epoxy on that. So, oh well.